When Avadhut Sir came up, when Sir said that Gurukul is coming and Sir is going to have different time frame courses, first I was thinking how to leave my daughter and come here. I started thinking, what if I was in bank, and if I am in bank from morning to evening I have to leave my daughter and go to bank. But here, because of ASTA, entire year I am with the daughter, but only for 12 days if I go and to do the course, it is giving me time freedom. So that was one of the reason. And second one, if I am a professional, even if in a bank or anywhere, every year we will have refreshing training programs. So I considered this as a skill developing training program, so that where I will refresh my skills also, and I will learn upgraded things also and new skills to improve my trading journey. So I immediately thought I should do it, and as Sir said, I have noted on, it's a long journey. I am just a beginner. I have just explored the swing market till now. I am scared of breakouts. I am scared of momentum trades. I am scared of intraday trades. So I thought in Gurukul I will get the answers from Sir, like that I thought, and I decided to join. And today itself I broke 2 of my barriers. I negotiated my prices and I took intraday trades, that to 3 intraday trades. That's a big achievement for me. So from Gurukul, whatever the skills, not only the skills, our mindset, how today I would able to realize how the swing mindset will be and how the buyer's mindset will be, momentum mindset will be. Today I realized, if I was back at home, I never would have got the chance to realize this. Since I am among the people, among the traders, among the buddies, and Sir is just in front of me to ask any question, I was confident to take those trades. So this Gurukul has actually doubled my skills. From now, swing is not only my profile. I will add momentum also. I will add intraday also into my profile. So Gurukul is helping a lot, and I am going to repeat. I will, as I said earlier, every year this will be my refreshing. Like every year I will come and I will refresh my skills and I will go back. This is an excellent program and everyone should do it, and I am going to repeat also.